Another same video. Actually, I'm tired of saying my fake name. My real name is Abby. There, I said it. My real name is Abby here. Instead of my fake one now. So I'm gonna make a video with my puppy and my family members if I can see. God, it's hard to see. Wow, if I can find them now. Let's go.
Mama, you're tripping.
Photo.
You have to read what's on the box.
It's called Frodo. My friend wanted me to make a YouTube video of the puppy, so I named him Frodo. Ah, can I go in my room? Come on. Come on, let's go in my room. Let's go in my room. Yeah, you want to go in my room? I gotta come back with my food. Wait. Ow. I gotta set you on the chair. There you go. Stay. I gotta come back and get my food. Yeah, don't go like I believe I can fly again, okay? You always gotta act like that. Go get Carmel. Get Carmel.
Yes, be careful, dude.
Frodo. Eating some dog food. Adorable. Actually, I'm going to have my mic on so I can hear my friends. Just wait a second. Make the video. Frodo! I'm making it. Frodo. I didn't. No, I'm still making a video with him. Frodo, you're adorable. It's been 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Frodo, go get Carmel. I gotta take the mic off. Hi, Peyton. Hi, Puppy. Hi, Carmel. Hi, Chris. Bye, Chris.
Don't point with poker eye. Say hi.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. If you want to see more, so this is my end of the video. Bye, evils. I can't.